Decisions on who controls the content you see on social media could be in the hands of the U.S. Supreme Court. The High Court heard a case challenging a Texas law that seeks to restrict large tech companies from banning users and content. Our Monica Madden listened to the hearing and found the justices seemed stumped over how to answer these free speech questions.
Is it anything more than a euphemism for censorship?
They're cases that could transform the business of social networks and free speech on the internet.
This is a sprawling statute, and it makes me a little bit nervous.
A pair of similar Texas and Florida laws ban companies like Facebook from removing posts that express certain religious or political opinions, saying it's necessary to stop discrimination against conservatives.
The state has an interest, a First Amendment interest, in promoting and ensuring the free dissemination of ideas.
First Amendment protections apply to actions by governments and not private entities. But with social networks acting as the modern public square, some justices questioned the tech companies' power to regulate speech.
They can discriminate against particular groups that they don't like.
The Biden administration siding with the social media companies, saying they have the right to self-regulate.
The difference here, of course, is that these platforms are private parties. They're not bound by the First Amendment as an initial matter.
This wasn't an easy case.
Experts say the stakes are high.
On the one side, you have the rights of citizens to speak without having their stuff shadow banned. And the other side, you have the right of these tech companies to sort of decide what content goes to their platforms. So there's really free speech issues on both sides.
Monica Madden, State of Texas.
Both the Texas and Florida laws are currently on hold. How the Supreme Court rules could lead to even more litigation in the lower courts. The Supreme Court took up another case last week with ties to Texas. Justices heard a case on bump stocks. That's a gun accessory that speeds up the firing rate of a semi-automatic rifle. The government banned bump stocks after the 2017 mass shooting in Las Vegas that killed 60 people and injured hundreds more. Austin gun shop owner Michael Cargill sued over the ban, saying the Trump administration did not follow federal law. The Biden administration is defending the ban. A decision in this case is expected by early summer. One of the most powerful leaders on Capitol Hill is stepping down, and that's setting the stage for a battle to take his place. How one influential Texan could rise to power.